Hello and welcome to EBAday 2023 in Madrid. I'm Hannah Wallace, and joining us now in the studio away from the busy event is Edward Chandler from Visa. Edward, it's great to have you in the studio. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, it's a pleasure to be here.
Really good to have you here and talking about a very exciting topic that's definitely at the heart of a lot of discussions over the course of EBAday, and that's open data. And that's where I want to begin. I want to talk about how that's enabling the future of payments. So by no means a small question, but we'll start there.
Well, that's a great question. I think the way I think about it and what data is doing, it's really enabling three trends to really accelerate at pace, unprecedented pace that we've never seen before. The first is digitization. So we all, I've been here for a day now, everyone's talking about digital, but we're still at the start of that, and a big part of that digital journey is tokenization. Tokenization of payments, tokenization of ID, tokenization of a number of other things as well to really make that seamless payment or experience happen. The second theme, which is definitely being driven by data and also the advancements in AI, is hyper-personalization. So you and I getting a very tailored, specific content or product served to us based on who we are and what we do, and the same actually for businesses, and we're seeing much more of that hyper-personalization within the business space too. And the third big trend that's happening, really being driven by data and also the speed of networks, such as a telecommunications network, is augmented reality and virtual reality. And of course, the last couple of weeks, we've seen Apple announce that they're in the game now through their Vision Pro glasses, which I think in a number of years will completely transform again how we shop and make it fully immersive.
That's right. And you've highlighted some big trends there as well. And another one I want to talk about is how data and AI is also being used for good as well. It'd be good to get some examples there as well.
If you think about what we do day in, day out for our clients across our network, and bearing in mind we've got 15,000 FIs and 80 million merchants on the network, it's really important that we use data for good. A few, I guess, close to you and I examples are Tink. Recently, they've been working with a client and they've reduced the time it takes for a small business to apply and be accepted for a loan from 6 weeks to 10 minutes. So isn't that fantastic? You're a small business, if you're applying for a loan, you need the money. So to have it in 10 minutes is really powerful.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sharing those examples and use cases there, and really interesting to hear the work around Tink as well. And I'm also interested to hear about some examples of where Visa is helping improve the customer experience as well going forward. So what are you doing in this space now?
Yeah, I mean, an awful lot. I think everything that we do today is to try and enhance the customer experiences of our clients actually as they present their solutions to their clients. And again, whether it's through our APIs that our clients can access. Yeah. So for example, have you got a Revolut card or a Wise card? Revolut card. So Revolut, actually a big part of what Revolut does today is powered by Currency Cloud. And the reason they chose Currency Cloud over all the other providers in this space was because of the user experience that they could give their clients through the Currency Cloud APIs and being really easy to access and work with. So we're really focused on that. Same with Tink that I've already mentioned. They pride themselves on having the best APIs that are really user-friendly, can help their clients create those really powerful UXs. And when you think about consent, when it comes to using your data to help drive better decisions, so you may be applying for a car insurance, I might ask you as the insurer, can I access your data so I can make a better decision on my underwriting and provide you with a more tailored premium? Well, to do that, you need that consent journey to be really seamless, because why would you want to slow down your application or come in and out? Tink enables that insurer, or many insurers, to do that. So user experience is really important to us.
Well, thank you so much, Edward. You've shared some really helpful examples to highlight the power of data there. And thank you so much for sharing your insights as well. I'll let you get back to the event to share them with the rest of the delegates. But thank you so much for your time today.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.